In this case study, I'm going to show you how you can use iKoach to create flexible, affordable solutions for your clients, while at the same time actually increasing your revenue and helping you to escape the time for money trap that so many coaches, consultants and trainers suffer in. So this is a case of a software trainer, lady who provides training to business owners and their staff on a leading accountancy software that they use within their businesses. Now, her previous model had been to go to the workplace and sit with either the business owner or with key members of staff and sit and go through the system with them and teach them how to use it. Now, she's actually very good at what she does, and her services are in demand, and that led to her first problem. She could only be in one workplace training a certain number of people at any given time, and she was running out of days to deliver her training. So time was becoming an issue for her. It was also becoming an issue for the business owners that she was working with. These are difficult economic times at the moment, and we've all got to be very aware of exactly how we use our resources. And of course, the most expensive resource to a business owner is their staff. So a common objection she was coming up against was that a business owner did not want to take the time out either themselves to sit and learn how to use this with her on a one-to-one basis, or they didn't want their staff to have to take a full day or half day out from actually doing what they did in the business to sit down and learn from her how to use it. So she was looking for a solution to that problem for them, and she found the solution with iKoach. So here's what she did. The software that she trains in covers a number of different functions, not all of which are needed by all of her clients. So the first thing that she did was she broke the training down into those individual functions and created different software modules. Then within that, what she did was she went in and screen recorded her actually going through each of the different elements of that particular function, detailing exactly what to do, how to do it, etc. So she had a range then of these different software modules that her clients could select from, whether they needed one or all of them. So from that, she then created the first program then is a self-study one where her client can simply purchase any one of the software products that are relevant to their business, and they can then just study it in the workplace as they need to. This is absolutely ideal for her smaller one-man band business owners who just need to know how to do one aspect of the training. They don't need the whole package. So she's offering flexibility and affordability and relevancy to them. The next program, obviously, again, is a self-study where she simply combines two or more of the different modules of software according to what her clients need. And iKoach makes this incredibly easy for her. She's got these as separate modules within iKoach, and she can just package them up per client's needs. Really straightforward, really simple. Obviously, she's still got her one-to-one where she'll go into the client's workplace and work with one or more employees and train on site, and they get that online backup now. So previously, if she'd gone in, she'd done maybe a half-day training with 2 or 3 employees on this software, very often what would happen was, yep, great on the day, but we're human beings and we don't remember everything that we're taught all in one go. So she's now adding value to that by leaving them with the online version for them to back up and refer back to. She also now offers a trainer option for some of the medium-sized businesses that she works with. So rather than her going in and training a number of personnel in one day, she'll go in and do a little bit more in-depth with one particular member of staff or a manager, train them on how to do it, and then give the other staff in the business access to the online program too, so that the person who she's trained can be an on-site go-to person who can manage it all and see which other members of staff have completed which modules, etc. She's also added optional assessment modules. This was at the request of one of her clients, actually, who's a slightly larger organisation, and the client then uses that in the staff performance appraisal system that they have. So when a new member of staff comes in and they are given access to the training program for the first section of the training, for the first software module. The client then has an optional assessment module that they can then ask the staff member to complete, and then that forms part of their personal development review. So again, it's just adding value for the client, and in this case especially, it's about being flexible. So you're giving your corporate clients more options. You can make things more bespoke for them, make it more relevant to their business. From the software trainer's perspective, of course, she's added in income streams. She's added additional revenue streams to her business. All of these things are deliverable. The self-study programs are all deliverable without her needing to exchange her time for money. And this is one of the keys to escaping that time for money trap. Having a program that can be delivered where your clients can learn from you without you needing to be there. So that's what we're all about. So that's another example for you of how iKoach can help to transform your business.